it took one night for me to understand that you have not passed. Means I cried, I did everything, whatever it has to be. Then I made me realize that whatever it may be, I have to, and have to pass this. Only notes will not help you to pass this exam. Okay. Only MCQ practice also will not help you in pass this exam. You have to forget this world. That what is happening even in your next room. You must not know. Usually people have family. But to me, I have my friends as my family.
So hi, welcome to Cerebellum. May I have your introduction please and where are you from?
Okay. Myself, Dr. Hitesh Dwivedi, and I am from basically Vrindavan, and I am from Odessa National Medical University, Ukraine. And after war, I went to Georgia under mobility program. So, but basically, I got degree from Odessa, and I have just cleared my FMGE exam, and this is my second attempt, and I have got 157 marks.
Great. So what were the hardships that followed along?
Okay, ma'am, basically what I have found in this exam is, it's not just you are seeing the notes. It won't matter at all. First thing is your mindset. If your mindset is not good now, then I don't think any exam you can't do. For example, let me tell you my example of my first attempt. I really worked for, it's a 6 duration exam, right? I really worked for 5 months. Like hardship I worked, okay, everything I did. I did notes, I did the MCQ practice, everything I did. But in the last 1 month, I changed my mindset. And it was like I just, inside my heart, I have just made me make sure that I can't pass this exam. Due to that thing, in the last month, I did not study. And as I did not study, so at the end, I was giving my exam, I was remembering everything, but I was forgetting. So this is how it happened. And in my second attempt, the first thing what my mindset, I made my mindset that for sure, either by hook or by crook or by anything, even this world may go up and down, this globe may not be in circle, it might be in a square, no matter to me. My first and last thing is I have to clear this exam.
Very nice.
Anyhow means anyhow. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. See, we all are little bit emotional. Okay, we all are human beings, so we are emotional, right?
Exactly.
So, when in my last attempt, I just remember the every way. I was at my home. Okay. Result came. It came in the evening. Okay. I got to know I have not passed, right? So it took one night for me to understand that you have not passed. Means I cried, I did everything, whatever it has to be. Next day, I could make myself sure that okay, now I have to tell my family. So I just remember the scene. It was my mother. She was standing in front of the mirror. I did not look at her eyes. I was looking at the mirror, and I told her that okay, I have not passed. Okay. The time I saw it, so there was one tear in her eyes. Okay. For me, nothing is, or not only for me, I think for everyone, nothing is greater than your parents, right? So that tear I saw, and then I made me realize that whatever it may be, I have to, and have to pass this.
Now you have to turn that tear into a smile in a...
And now I'm the same story I'm telling in the second attempt. Like we are little devotional family, right? So like she was doing some kirtan and all in my home itself, because it's Vrindavan, right? You understand? Every
Yes,
time
I
it's
do.
devotional services and all. She was doing the same. And you know, when you pass the exam, you just want people to be around you. Okay, just cherish you and all. In my time, in my last attempt when I got failed, there were so many people to whom I could not tell. Now in my second attempt when I passed, there was no one in the whole room. I just saw the PDF, I saw I'm passed, and I don't know what to do. I should jump from here, or I should go from here and there. What should I do? I don't know. This is life. So I don't know what. Then I said okay. Then I went to my mother And I said, I have passed. I think maybe anyone else would have, come and hugged. But she said, good. Okay. But she continued her kirtan because she feels that it's due to blessing of God. Here, I can't stop in between. I said, okay. After 5 minutes, when it got over, when it was entitled to be over, then she came up to me, she hugged me, and that's how it was.
And then she congratulated, and there's a happy
So-
story.
So much means, see, tears are of two types. One tear is in sorrow, and one tear is of happiness. Same tears were there, but it was in the happiness this time.
Obviously. He obviously isn't.
This is how.
Any tips and tricks that you would like to give your juniors?
My juniors, okay. Actually, I have been very, interestingly, I was, leader in my group. So I am very interested in, talking to people just to know, okay, how the thing works. And as we were in foreign, so it was like, I used to feel so happy, okay, it's their religion, how they work, how they things like that. So I have been already in contact with many of my juniors. And for them, I would say that if you are doing only notes, doesn't matter. You won't. You won't. I am telling you very frankly, I know many people will say, why you are saying, only notes will not help you to pass this exam. Okay? Only MCQ practice also will not help you in pass this exam. Doing together, both of them only will help you pass this exam. And for that, what I feel is, you have to forget this world. That what is happening even in your next room. You must not know. I was living with my brother, and I was in a flat, and my brother friends, they used to come and go. I am like a dead person to them. They used to say, how you are living? I said, I am happy because I know what I have to do.
You got to be dedicated.
Yeah, I was so much that,
Dedication
yeah,
is very important.
yeah, and I was very happy. I said, no, they are saying that how you are living life. You are you have come from abroad. How you are living in this one room and all. I said, I am happy. Leave me alone.
Great. So, who are your biggest supporters in college?
Okay. Actually, I had many friends, but the main thing is, usually people have family. But to me, I have my friends as my family. Even I just know that, okay, I will just tell you, but maybe I may forget. So that's why even I have written some of the names. If you wish, I can say.
Oh, please do.
Okay.
We would love
So
that.
first, there are two people, Avanish and Sneha. They were the two people who were constant in my FMGE preparation. And not only them, remaining also I would just name. I would be very happily if I name all of them. Okay, Ashish, Amita, Keshav, Anushka, Dipti, Julie, Asia, Salva, Manish, Amit Mishra, Ali, Vinod.
That's a long
But-
list indeed.
Yeah, it's long, but for me, it's my family. Means college is left. Okay, now I will have professionals, but these people are my constant people.
Extended family, you might say.
Means much more you want, right? These are whenever in my whole just preparation, whenever I call them, even though they are busy, okay, maybe they are in their internships, maybe at the family functions. Even one of my friend who was at a funeral of a people of his own family, I called him. I said, I need help. I just want to know, okay, how to do this, how to do that. No matter. They said, okay, just tell me. So this is what I have really realized. And for me, what they are, I am really happy to announce their names because I am really very happy and they are my family, which I feel.
So, in short, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Exactly. For
Truly
me.
said. Thank you so much. May you just get this bond even more strong, even stronger in the coming years. Even this bond is even stronger in the coming years. Thank you so much for being here. We loved having you on this couch. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very thank you.